A brand new seasonal release from Love Posh. This one is gonna go fast. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and there is a brand new seasonal release from Love Posh. These are two huge sticker books, plus there's new covers, new dividers, a lot of fun new things. And this one's going to go fast. I always try to be really honest with you guys when I think something is going to sell out, and this one most likely will. The release is on September the 7th. That's Sunday, September the 7th, 1 p.m. Central Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll have all the info and my discount code down below so you can order and grab these goodies. We're going to flip through these books. They are both called Seasonal Love. The first one, January through June, like I said, an extra big sticker book. Then you have Seasonal Love, July through December. Love, love, love these. I'm so excited about them. So we're going to flip through the two brand new sticker books. Let's go. All right, so here's the idea. I believe that these sticker books have all the goodies that you need to decorate for a month, and it's celebrating seasonal things, not necessarily holiday, but like seasonal feels. So this one starts with January through June. You're starting with January right here. Like I said, it's not super seasonal in that we're seeing Happy New Year, but this is like get organized, take control. This does have January feels to me because I feel like that's when we all love to get our lives together. Beautiful sticker paper, by the way. Love this Boss Babe vibe. Then you have florals that coordinate, all in white sticker paper still. Here are some fun pieces. Now these are kind of new. You see some pattern boxes, some pre-done clusters. So not your basic functional, but clusters that are kind of pre-built for you. And then look at these fun little they're like paint strips almost, little paint splotches. Love that. Here's your more classic functional pieces, the checklist boxes. Those are some long checklist boxes, right? Yeah, super long checklist boxes. To-dos, you have your functional boxes right there. Then you have alpha in the same colorway. Nice bold alpha too. Beautiful. Some faux washi. These are just stickers, but it has that faux washi look. I like how the stickers are cut. Laser cut stickers. Nice. And then these are big block stickers. So you can cut these. You can use a die cut on these. You can do all kinds of things. Same with this, a big die cut sticker. Same deal. If you love to junk journal or, I don't know, just use these in any type of journaling, I feel like this would be a lot of fun to play with. So these are big stickers right here. So all of those, let's count how many pages per month. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages per month is awesome. You can see how you can put together pretty much a whole month with that set, which I love. Then we get into February. Obviously, we have a little love theme going on. So look at her with her little puppy. Love that. And love me a corner piece. Yes, please. I also like that the stickers aren't necessarily repeated, because if you're gonna use this to like decorate a whole month, then you don't want a lot of repeats. The florals on this one, so good. So good. Love that. Oh, those are cute. I like the polka dot. I'm into the pattern boxes. It's like a lighter color, so you can still write on it in black, but it's kind of cool. Functional stickers. I'm intrigued by these really long to-do lists. These are like the normal length, and these are really long. Is this for like your sidebar, I'm guessing? That would work really well. Maybe the quad. That would work on quad. Alphas. Love all the alphas in here. I feel like these sets are perfect if you're new to planning or if you're overwhelmed by sticker choices. This narrows it down for you, just helps you focus and you have fun with that set for a couple of times, 3 times. Use it for every week, whatever works for you. Oh, these are fun. Look at the half ones. Is this a half one? Yeah. Oh, that's cute. I can't wait to try playing with these. I feel like there's going to be so many options on how you use those. All right, now we get into March. Oh, I love that. Look at the blue in the mail. That's pretty with the butterflies. That's really nice. Here's the florals. Oh, stop. With the pinstripes. Oh, I love that. I like these clusters. I find them really interesting. Those are really pretty. This is a pretty set. March. Beautiful blues and greens. Yeah, it's this pattern that I'm totally digging. Oh, so pretty. That's beautiful. Oh, that's really pretty too. Oh, those are fun. All right, now we're getting into April. Oh, look at the bunnies. See, like a touch of that. It's a seasonal feel, like seasonal love. Not all the holidays and stuff, but you get just a little bits and pieces, which is awesome. Those butterflies are everything. Love those florals too. That's gorgeous. I think these pages are my favorite, you guys. I think I really am digging those. The oranges and the orange and green combo here. Love that they went with the darker orange. That is so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Oh, and that dark black in there too. That's really, these are just so beautifully curated. I think Jessica at Love Posh does a great job. Oh, this one's even bigger, you guys. This one, I like that the sizes change up. I can see using this to set up, I don't know, what if you use this for your journaling for the entire year? Like you could set up your whole year in advance. Hello, that would be super fun to start working in your journal. You could set up, I could see using this in like a faith planner and getting it set up for the entire year in advance. May, we have May flowers. Oh, look at that. Stop. This is adorable. With the cow and the pig. Oh, that's too much. Oh, I love this. I have a ladder like this in my house. Oh, this one's cute. You know what I mean though? Like you could get it. I just like these seasonal books that have something for every month for that purpose because you can just do so much in advance, which is fantastic. Because we all know the year is going to get away from you. It just does every time. Oh, so pretty. Loving. Love. Very pretty. It just makes it easy. You know what I mean? Like you have fun with the pieces, but it's not overwhelming. Those are so pretty. This quilt look. June, we're headed to the beach. Love the blue mixed in here. Oh, that's so good. All I need is a bikini and a tan. So pretty. Beautiful florals. Love. Those are so good. Like, look at that color combo. So different. Loving. And I love that. Oh, this one's good. I love that it's just following this formula that's recognizable and awesome. Happy New Year. Live life in full bloom. Spring. I was made for sunny days. Winter wishes. You get some of everything. New Year wishes. Midnight kisses. Happy Valentine's Day. Hello, spring. Easter blessings. Be the sunshine. Spring is in the air. Those are awesome. That is so pretty. I love it. So that one is January through June. Then we have July through December. Starting with July, Americana, America the Beautiful, all the patriotic. Oh, look at their little plaid in their overalls. Country America. I like those florals. And these little sprigs right here. Those are fun. These are super cute. How fun is that? Love. That's so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Oh, I like the stars. I love stars. Beautiful big sheets right here. Love. Okay, now this is August. I kind of lose track of where we're at. All of these are white sticker paper, by the way, just so you know, which I kind of prefer. I'm going to say I do like some white sticker paper. That's beautiful too. So pretty. Look at those florals might be my favorite from the whole time with the ladybugs mixed in. This definitely says August. Like saying goodbye to summer is kind of what August is all about. So pretty. Sunset colors. Those are so good. And the faux washi. Yeah, I'm super inspired to set up a journal, to just do it and get it done for the year. Can you imagine how great that would feel? Love. Up September. I like the sunflowers mixed in. Sunflowers feel like the beginning of fall to me. That is beautiful. Love. A little fox friend. Look at this guy. Yeah, these are pretty. I love that. So good. Those are really great. I love it. So washi with the plaid. Those are gorgeous. Okay. October. So you have like hints of Halloween, but it's not over the top scary Halloween, which I dig. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus, witch's brew, hello pumpkin. All the pumpkins mixing with, oh, those are cute. Stop. And she has little cat ears on. Trick or treat. Oh, this is a good one, you guys. Again, this one's gonna sell out. I'm telling you. Oh, the stars is so pretty. I love that. Oh, it's good. So, so good with the alphas. Loving. Oh, that's so pretty. These are all individual. Yeah. Oh, that's a cool one. Just so many possibilities to be creative. And I think Live Love Posh is doing a great job of like pushing the envelope on what's being included in her sticker books to let us be even more creative. It's not just the regular decorative stickers and the functional. We're getting some new pieces that are a lot of fun to kind of play with. November, we have the Thanksgiving feels. Oh, that's cute. Love the washi look right here. So pretty. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. That is super cute. I love the colors. Oh, that's good. Good, good, good. Oh, let me know what you think. Are you excited about, do you like the seasonal sticker books like this that have like all the seasons in them? Do you prefer them to be a little bit more holiday-esque? Or do you like this feel? I kind of dig this feel. I love the holiday ones too, but I like this feel. And this is just screaming journaling to me. All right, this is December. So not your classic December palette. You got pink mixed in. Games, sweater, warm, popcorn, home, cozy. You got wrapping paper. Oh, I love the little porcelain tree. Do you have one of these in your house? We had one. Look at those snowflakes. Guys, these are so good. Oh, that's gorgeous. Love, love, love. Beautiful. I'm ridiculously, I'm thinking a lot. I feel like I'm not talking as much because I'm thinking of how I'm going to use this sticker book. That is so pretty. Love the stripes. Spooky vibes. Hello fall. Trick or treat. Happy Thanksgiving. It's fall, y'all. Simply thankful. Merry Christmas. God bless America. So good. I'm like beside myself. I just want to play and set up. This screams journaling to me. This screams journaling more than functional planning, but I think it can work for both. I like to change up my functional planning week to week. I don't know that I would use this for an entire month, but if that's the case, you could use this for multiple years because there's so many stickers in a theme. But for journaling, I feel like in a bullet journal, like Art Journal Olive style, this would be so fun to get set up, and I'm kind of getting excited about playing with it. So stay tuned. Hopefully I can share a video when I figure out exactly what I want to do, but I wanted to share these first because I don't want anyone to miss out. So September the 7th, 1 p.m. Central Time. That's 2 p.m. on the East Coast. I will have links down below. I do have an affiliate code. Make sure to check these out. There are also covers. I think there's dividers. I think there's some other goodies in the shop that are being released as well. So check those things out and let me know, do you love these books as much as I do? Are you obsessed? How would you use them? Would these be like regular planning books, journaling, art journaling? What would you do? Let me know in the comments below. And did you love January through June? Or did you love July through December? I'm a fall girly, you guys. The July through December has me. But I really like some of the spring ones in here. So it's a close call. I think you need both. Thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. And I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon members. Thank you guys so much for being the amazing people you are. If you want to find out more about the extra perks that you can receive over on Patreon, you can head to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to find a tier that works for you. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.